so you want this relationship to last. I don't blame you. You've already invested your heart. You see your future together. Okay, so now what? How do you do the day-to-day stuff to make this a really good, healthy relationship? In my experience, couples often overlook the issue of trustworthiness and what that really means. So today I'm going to talk about how to become irresistibly reliable to your partner. And we're going to talk about that in 3 different steps. Let's get started. The first one is you don't ever lie. Now, I'm not saying bombard your partner with all the ridiculous little details they don't need, but you're an intelligent human and you know the kind of information that you might be preferring to kind of keep to yourself. Those are the moments that you do not do that. And if you're still not sure if you're faced with one of these, then ask yourself this question. If the tables were turned, is this piece of information something I would want my partner to tell me about? And the second one is to keep your word. Don't make promises you can't keep. And if you say you're going to do something, you make it happen. And life happens, suddenly you can't. That's okay. Be transparent about it to your partner. Let them know that that's kind of how it's going to be because they like to be kept informed about this. What you're really trying to show to them is that you care about their feelings and you don't want them to feel like they've been let down. And the third way to be a trustworthy partner is you do what needs doing regardless of who's watching. Your partner isn't your mother who will say, "I'm so proud of you, my child." And they're not your boss or your teacher who'll give you a little gold star for initiative. No. Consistently doing little things like this shows your partner that you have their back. And that's exactly what we all crave in our intimate romantic relationships. Maybe the issue is more that difficult conversations are difficult. Check out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.